Did you know a mining company faked the world's largest gold discovery by shaving jewelry into rock samples? In the mid-1990s, Bre-X convinced investors they had struck gold deep in the Borneo jungle. The numbers were staggering. 70 million ounces, a $6 billion market cap. Pension funds poured in. Governments competed for a cut. Then the geologist who built the lie, Michael de Guzman, fell from a helicopter over the jungle. No witnesses, no clear answers. Ever. When independent tests came back, the gold was gone. It had never been there. The myth collapsed in a single morning.